Hi, it's me, Freyja, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a pop-up Mother's Day card for your mom. You will need a pencil, paper, and something to color with. I'm using crayons. So let's get into it. First of all, you take your paper and fold it in half. And then do this. And you do the same with the top fold of it. Fold it in half up. And do that. And then you got your basic pop-up blank card. So now you'll make a line like this all the way to the bottom of the paper. I'm actually going to shorten that top part up a little. And then you do the same thing on the other side and connect it at the top. And that's your box. Then you make a little line inside of that. And then that's the little thing. Make a circle, and from that circle, that's the beginning of the bow, then that's the bow part. Then make that thing. So that is like the little detail of the bow. And then you do the same thing on the other side. They don't have to be identical. And then you draw your mom. Surprised from how big this present is. Make half of the surprised mouth on top. Then, time to unfold. So we'll start with the presents unfold. So you go up from each line just a tad bit and connect it. And then you connect this part to this part. Same thing on the other side. Time for the words, the message on this present. So I'm going to write I love you. You can write anything, but I'm just going to write that. That's my message. Now for my mom. I'm going to first connect the hair with the other side. And do the same thing on this. Now to connect the face and head. Then connect the mouth. Because my mom is so surprised. Because how, yeah. And now I'm going to color. Now that we've colored our cards, let's see how it looks when we open them. I love you. It's like a huge banner. So, right who it's from. And this is my pop-up surprise card for my mom. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. See you next time. Bye!